In this video, we explore the top MILESCRAFT drill guide options, offering in-depth reviews to help you find the best drill guide for precision, versatility, and durability in your woodworking and DIY projects. MILESCRAFT'S DRILLMATE 1318 steps up the game for portable drilling guides. Designed for both straight and angled drilling, it offers preset stops at 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, and 90 degrees. Whether you're working on flat surfaces, edges, or round stock, up to 3 inches in diameter, this guide keeps things precise. That's not all. The DRILLMATE features a 3/8 inch keyed chuck and works with both 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drills, giving it wide compatibility. It's a serious upgrade over freehand drilling, delivering accuracy without the bulk of a full-size drill press. Possibly the most impressive thing, MILESCRAFT packed all this capability into a lightweight, portable frame that's easy to bring to the job. It's an ideal choice for woodworkers, DIYers, and pros looking for precision on the go. Factor in the price, and you're looking at a solid value for anyone wanting better control without a big investment. Now let's take a look at MILESCRAFT'S DRILLMATEPRO 1348, a heavy-duty portable drill press built for precision and repeatability. At its core, the DRILLMATEPRO features an all-metal construction with an extruded aluminum guide head and bronze bushings, delivering smoother, more controlled drilling. With a 1/2 inch keyed chuck and infinite angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, it's designed to handle everything from straight, angled, and even round stock drilling, thanks to its built-in V-groove channel. The dual spring design improves balance, while large rubber-coated handles add extra control. You also get a dedicated depth stop with its own guide bar, preventing interference from the springs. Plus, it ships fully assembled, so you're ready to go right out of the box. For anyone who needs repeatable accuracy without a full drill press setup, the DRILLMATEPRO brings serious performance in a portable package. The MILESCRAFT Drive 90 Plus right-angle drill attachment is designed to transform your standard drill into a versatile tool for tight spaces. With its impact-ready design, this attachment is engineered to withstand high torque, making it ideal for use with both drills and impact drivers. It features a 1.5-inch minimum reach, allowing access to confined areas where traditional drills fall short. The magnetic 1/4-inch hex socket holds bits securely, ensuring that you won't lose your accessories mid-task. The ergonomic finger grip handle adds comfort and control, making it easier to drill in awkward positions. A flat back handle is also included, aiding in perpendicular drilling for added precision. Whether you're working under sinks, in cabinets, or with automotive projects, the Drive 90 Plus delivers the performance and flexibility you need in tight spaces. At just $19.99, this tool is an affordable addition for anyone looking to expand their drill's capability. Next up is one of MILESCRAFT'S most versatile drill attachment, the 1300 Orbiter. With a 360-degree rotating head, this attachment lets you drill or drive at virtually any angle, making it a must-have for automotive, electrical, and plumbing work. It locks securely into any 3/8 inch or larger drill, and the keyless chuck makes swapping bits quick and hassle-free. If there's one thing to keep in mind, it's that the Orbiter works best with corded drills running at 1,000 plus RPM. It's not designed for bits over 3/4, hole saws, or auger bits, but for standard drilling and driving in tight spaces, it's a game changer. And here's the best part. You can grab one for just $28.99. For a fraction of the cost of a right-angle drill, the Orbiter delivers serious flexibility, making it a solid pick for pros and DIYers who need precision in hard-to-reach spots.